meet both of you. What are you up to? What good stuff have you guys done? Yeah.
What good
I've
stuff.
spoken to you so many times. I'm busy with my dietary supplement brand. We have added a few new products like vitamin C with zinc.
Oh,
And
lovely.
yeah, so then
I
CoQ10, which is
normally have Zevit.
Yeah,
I have
Zevit
Zevit,
has zinc in
which
it,
is
and-
which is the entire thing. I have Zevit.
Zevit.
Yeah, because you know what happened, Gomzi, when I was modeling, and I'll say this story because I mean, this is whoever's listening in can also hear this. When I was modeling, one day we had gone to Dubai for a fashion show, and the makeup artist there, she, for lack of a better word, used an unclean brush on me.
Oh my God.
I remember we caught the flight, all of us, you know, we used to go straight from the show to the airport, right, at 2 a.m. because we wanted to shop. So we went to the airport, and then we, you know, all of us were with our makeup. Some of us were removing the makeup in the bathroom and, you know, the aircraft or whatever. Landed in Bombay, and I broke out in hives. I mean, like pimples on one side of my face, not on both sides of my face, only on one side of my face. So I got hysterical because, I mean, let's face it, we were models, and I didn't have bad skin, you know. We were models, and this was very much part of how you look. So I remember I got introduced to Dinyar Working Box Wala. Have you heard of him?
Yeah, I remember.
He is one of the best specialists in Bombay. An absolute nasty piece of work. I mean, he'll come and
very nasty.
he made Manpreet
so old that
he made Manpreet Barar cry the first time she went to meet him. He made Manpreet Barar cry the first time she went. And his story was that when he was 13, he had a really bad skin, and he treated himself, and he does that. He had skin like a baby's bottom. It was so beautiful, and he was in his 50s that time. But he was nasty. So first thing he did was completely destroy my whatever little bit of this thing I had. He completely destroyed me. Then he gave me a series of treatment, and I can't tell you, I took Lynn to meet him, and a whole bunch of, and then we found out that Namrata Shirodkar used to go to him regularly, and a lot of other people used to go to him. Then Queenie started going to him. So a lot of us started going to Dinyar Working Box Wala. I mean, I was not the first, and I'm sure I'm not going to be the last.
Working Box Wala.
Yeah, that was a clear name.
Yeah,
I went to see him to Sakala once.
Huh?
I also went to see him, but it didn't really work on me at all.
No, it worked brilliantly for me. And I have been going back to him whenever I can. Every year, I went to him for many, many years after that. And then after that, I had to go to Bombay to do it, right? I mean, you have to be in Bombay to go to meet him. So it became a little tiring. So I ran out of the products, and then I tried to switch. But whatever he told me was, so he put me onto a series of vitamins, Gomzi.
Right.
So his argument was, we don't get our vitamins from our food, which is a fact.
But I agree with
look, Indian food, fried and deep fried and more fried. You know, our idea of a healthy food is a small little bowl of salad before the main meal, which will be one big thali full of lots of other stuff. Yummy, but no vitamins. So he said that if you have all the vitamins A to Z every day in your life, you will never have to you know, and put, you know, face pack, whatever. So he gave me a series, and it worked for me, and I stuck with that whole vitamin thing for the rest of my life.
Thank you. You're really helping me sell more supplements for Be Conscious.
Yeah, you do, because honestly speaking, we do not get our vitamins from our food. We can say what we like. We will not get our vitamins from our food. We don't get our calcium from our food. We don't get our B complex.
Yes.
This came into, particularly for me, 3 years ago, I had a hysterectomy, a very, very bad hysterectomy. They suspected cancer. I had to take out my uterus and all, Achla. And after
one second. I just want to ask you, this is, we're already on Zoom, so.
No, that's fine.
Is good.
I know.
No, I know. So then I'm talking about the editing part. Now, how do we...
Gomzi, I have a question for you. So do you think vegetarians get enough protein? And a person like me who can't really digest protein much, Okay, that's one of the things because of my autoimmune a challenge that I'm facing. I'm not able to digest protein, so I can't eat paneer, and I'm pretty much a vegetarian. So what do you think you have supplements which would be helpful to that kind of situation?
Yes, of course. So if you're asking personally what we do, yes, we do have supplements. We have.
No, I know you do, but what happens when a person can't digest protein easily?
Then you
Do
got
you
to take
give like a
supplementation.
liquid form or something?
Yeah, you got to take either capsule form or liquid form, or the thing is, vegetarian has got a lot of protein. There's no doubt about it. Plant foods are the best things to eat, as everyone knows. But if you can't digest even paneer and stuff, then you have to undergo some supplementation.
And you have that, right? So I'm going to come to get it.
We have that. We are just launching our brand of whey protein now. I've just approved the samples. We should get our boxes by next month end, the first batch. It's a little lengthy procedure. I'm very, very tough on the quality, so I keep rejecting whatever comes. So it's taken me 9 months to approve it. So because it has to work for me first.
Absolutely.
Yeah, because I would like to put something out there personally. I don't want to put in fillers. I don't want to put in substandard products, and then obviously the product becomes really expensive because your raw material cost is high.
Correct.
So it's all about not compromising on big brands. I always tell people, whatever you do, if you're buying a supplement brand, please don't buy cheap.
I agree.
Because when you buy cheap, you're going to get cheap quality. So anything in the world. I mean, it's not like you have to buy a Louis Vuitton bag, but you can buy something that is at least of a reputed brand.
Because you're putting it inside your body.
You're putting it inside your body.
I mean, this is the only thing that will be with you for all your life, right?
Yes, exactly. And your body is your biggest asset. So So I don't know where is she? I'm just gonna try.
Achla, you're vegetarian?
I'm 98% vegetarian. Once in a way, I have some seafood. That's it.
Oh, okay. You have seafood. So you're pescatarian mostly.
Sometimes.
If you can be. Okay. I'm non-vegetarian most of the time. But when I'm going into like a festival season, right? Like so for Diwali or stuff like that, I will go vegetarian for weeks before that. Just to give my body a break, because it's going to before and after, because you're going to indulge, you're going to eat a lot, you're going to go out a lot. I mean, I don't drink alcohol with thank God, because the Middle East, and I use the word thank God, I don't have anything against alcohol. I will have a glass of wine.
I don't drink either. So
but my thing is, here we have zero tolerance for drinking and driving. So why take the chance, right? I mean, I'm the driver. So I'm always a designated driver. When I go out with my friends, I'm always the designated driver with my husband. So I don't drink. So I don't have that problem. But I go off all non-veg for about a couple of weeks. And I'm a cook. I love pork. You know what I mean? So
I know.
I go off all non-veg for about a couple of weeks just to give my body a break, because I know that come Diwali, we're going to have a series of parties, small or big, right? This time it was very, very small. It was tiny, tiny little parties, but they were still parties.
We also had small, very small.
40 people you'll have, instead of 40 people, you'll have 4 people, but you'll still be eating a lot of food,
Like 10%. Wow.
Yeah, exactly.
So, maybe we should start our discussion.
Yeah. I think we already have.
Get Kashmira in.
I think we already have it. When she comes in, then we add her on.
Okay.
So, ladies, I
what
think
is it you really wanted to talk to us about?
Yes, I think you guys have already taken the cake and already started talking about it, because Sakila started talking about Diwali and how she should, detox herself before Diwali and post Diwali, or no? Or just Sakila?
No, I do it. You're what you eat. Okay,
yes.
People can say whatever. I mean, people will give you this thing about, I do not know, मेरे को वजन कैसे बढ़ता है, मैं तो खाती नहीं हूँ, मैं इतना खाती हूँ, and everything. And then you start slowly asking them. You ask, okay, fine. If she's got a thyroid problem or she's got hormonal problem, you can't. That's a completely different story. That we understand that. But
Yes.
if it's a normal woman who's just had a kid, oh, ever since I had my child, I put on weight. So many women have had kids. So many women don't put on weight. I mean, they go back to not completely.
work
I mean, we
out.
know, look at the models we work with. Yeah, so many of them
Look
were
at
mothers.
Sucheta Sharma.
Yeah,
She's
yeah,
just
look
had a
at-
baby and she's already lost half the weight.
yeah, and Alison, well, during
Big
our
Boss.
time, Alison had had 2 kids. You know,
And
Sumini had had
thin.
2 kids, and they had not put on a huge amount of weight. So when they
No.
turn around and say that, oh, I put on weight, you realize that it's 2 things. One of them is they probably binge eating, or there's no time management. Because I think when you eat, it's about the timing in which you eat. Eat your breakfast on time, lunch on time, dinner on time. Body will, and if you eat correctly, your body will automatically take care of itself. You know, it'll cleanse. You drink your water. You do that.
Yeah.
Correct.
You know,
What I think is where we go wrong a lot is portion control. So a lot of people don't have portion control. And if we just follow simple things like eat a good breakfast, eat a good lunch, and finish your dinner by 7 p.m., latest 7:30, 8 max, if you're going out for dinner. And
Yeah.
keep it light in the evening. And then eat only like 13 hours later. If you can't do 16, it's fine.
You're
But
talking
if
about
you
intermittent.
stop eating at 8 and you have breakfast, say at 9:30, it's kind of an intermittent already. And it
Intermittent
really helps you rejuvenate and your cells get time to breathe.
Correct. Intermittent fasting is actually very powerful because
It's very
actually
powerful.
very
Can
powerful.
I give you my thing that happened on intermittent fasting? In the beginning of COVID, I decided, since we had all the time in the world and we were locked up in our houses, I decided to do intermittent fasting. Now I'm a person who eats breakfast exactly at 8:30. I've had my breakfast. So I decided, no, I was going to have my first meal of the day at 12:30
Oh,
and the
boy.
last meal of the day at 7 o'clock.
No, won't
Achha,
work.
I went in. I did it for a month.
You'll go mad.
I went mad. I went into depression. I was in
Yeah.
a bad mood. I was my energy was low. It was the
No.
complete opposite. So when people say,
Doesn't work.
"Oh, you should do intermittent fasting," I'm like, no, it's not for everybody.
No,
But
I'll
that's
tell you
why I
what-
said do
I'll tell you
12
what
to
it is.
13 hours only. For
Correct.
people like you and people who like to eat breakfast early, even 12, 13 hours makes a difference, and eat less in the evening. Why do
Correct.
we eat? We never question why we eat. It's fuel for
Yeah.
the body.
Of course.
Everything's not about taste, And even
Yeah.
if you eat little, it is fuel for the body. But if you're sitting at home all day and you're still eating as much as a working person, then you're doing something wrong.
Very true.
Perfect.
It's all about, you know what it is, guys. It's all, I mean, ladies, it's all about energy expenditure. So in a day, now, if you are someone who's leading a sedentary lifestyle,
Yes.
then what happens is your diet and your nutrient values change.
Yes.
If you're someone who's more active, who's like probably on an amateur athlete level,
Sure.
then again your protein intake, your carb intake, your
all
minerals,
changes.
again they change. Now if you're someone who's a professional athlete, now again that's like it's a graph. So from here it goes here, from there it goes there. So then your body changes. So there are certain people who can adapt to intermittent fasting very easily. And there are certain people who can't, because it also depends on what your daily activity is. What's your energy value? What's your recommended daily value of your RDV, as they call it.
Absolutely.
Daily value of your supplementation, of your proteins, of your carbohydrates. So all this comes into play. So I personally have nothing against intermittent fasting. I just tell some people, whoever call me, I say, listen, you can do it. There's nothing wrong with it, because intermittent fasting, it also it triggers your growth hormone, your GH.
Yes. That's right.
Wait, in what way?
This is what
Gomzi,
that Japanese scientist discovered, right, Gautam?
Gomzi, you're mute. You're mute.
Hello?
Gomzi, you're mute.
Where did he go? I think he's disappeared.
He's
left
mute.
us and
He's mute.
stopped.
He's mute. You're muted. Your thing.
Hello?
Gomzi, you're mute. Ah, there it is. You were
There she
mute.
is.
She's come.
Yes.
Is she
But
here?
I can't hear. Yeah, you're
I
fine.
can't see her.
She'll take a second.
Oh, okay.
I'm in the Zoom call. Calling you back. Calling. Yeah. Yes. Done. Is she there? I can't see her.
I can see Boo Films. Hello.
I can't
Hi,
see
Kashmira.
Kashmira. How come we can't see her?
I
I
can't
can see her. I can see her.
That's because you're far away in Doha.
Yeah.
We all
Now it's come
close to
back.
each other.
Now
We all
it's just Boo Films. I could see her just now. She waved out at all of us and then she just disappeared again.
We are all.
Ajay.
Cash,
Yeah.
yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's it.
Is she there now?
Yeah, she's Cash. Your video is frozen. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, now we're back.
I still can't see her.
Hello. I can see her. Slide it to the right. I don't know. Okay. Hi, Kashmira. How are you?
Hello.
I can.
Hi, now I
Yes.
can hear people. Can anyone hear me?
Finally.
Oh, hello.
Everybody can hear you.
Namaste. Namaste. Kashmira ji.
Namaste.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I don't know what
Where
happened.
are you, Cash?
अरे
कहाँ
last
गई थी
since
तू?
कहीं ने 358 से मैं मेरा लैपटॉप पे ट्राई कर रही हूँ, then iPad पे ट्राई किया, अब finally phone पे आ गया.
I sent
It
you a
is-
message.
it is-
मिला मेरा message.
You know, the same
Cash,
thing happened with me.
It
So,
is
guys-
Gomzi's fault. It's Gomzi's fault. He sent us all the incorrect ID. We all were struggling to get in.
Oh.
No.
No, no.
I
Oh,
said
and I
Something
thought,
bad.
it's a tech glitch. A tech glitch.
and I thought I was being such a nerd. I said, क्या यार मेरे को इतना भी नहीं आ रहा कि download करो, ये करो, वो करो. You know?
नहीं, सब ठीक है.
Okay, so I got you three lovely ladies on this call, and none of them really need introduction. You all are like stars in your own right. Very vibrant, very energetic, very intelligent women who are achievers and entrepreneurs and film directors and actors. And my God, this is a great group to be on. I would love to talk to you, three of you, like every day, like this. At least pep talk. So I want to ask you guys. I want to talk to you guys about your fitness, about your wellness, about your mental health. How have you coped with COVID? Various other situations. So, Cash, we can start with you since you just
Yes,
came.
of course. So what's the first question?
Whatever you want it to be. Okay.
Well,
Okay.
how-
Let me just tell everybody that Kashmira has recently been posting some very, very interesting photographs of herself in a bikini on Instagram. And when
Very hot. Very hot.
I suddenly jumped out of my bed and I said, what is she doing? And then I said, oh my God, she's okay. She's looking great. I mean, she can do that. She's allowed. So that means, I mean, and you're on the right platform for talking. I mean, behind me, if you can
Thank
see,
you.
if you can
Yes,
see,
yes.
just we can see
Yes.
Airtel Half Delhi
Yes.
Marathon.
Yes.
You're in the right space because anyone who likes sport will like a bikini body.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I want to ask you, Cash,
Yeah.
what have you done to? Have you been training of late, or you haven't stopped training ever, or you've been consistent, or what's this transformation all about?
No, I'll tell you what happened. Actually, I've always, like, you remember during modeling days, you, Achla, very well. I've always had an hourglass figure, but since 2014-15, I was trying to conceive.
Figure, that's true. Okay. Okay.
But what happened was in the last 5 years, I kind of, like relaxed a bit. I tried to have kids. I did scores of IVF tests.
Oh my God, you're being very frank. Okay. How
Yeah.
sweet.
So during the IVF struggle, what happens is when you're trying to conceive, they give you these hormonal injections. So
Yes.
it makes everything big. And they're trying to make the eggs big, but it makes everything big.
This is.
So
Being
I had a
there.
feeling. I had a feeling getting three of you on one show.
Yeah.
Okay.
so well, the doctor had told me, he said, well, you're going to lose your figure if you're going to be a mother. I said, well, if I become a mother, I'm going to gain something else, you know. Figure आएगा, लेकिन अच्छे figure के लिए जिगर भी चाहिए, I said.
I'll figure it out.
Figure- I'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Good one. Good
So,
one.
so, but unfortunately, that went on for 3 years. I just didn't get lucky enough to conceive, you know. But I
Right.
kept
Right.
trying, I kept trying, I kept trying. So from 2014 till 2016, I just tried. I must have had 500 injections, and
Oh
I
my
put
God.
on weight.
Correct.
And then what happens is these are the injections that really sometimes makes you depressed. It's not per se the injection, it's the negative results that you face.
Of
Yeah.
course.
And then you start eating. It's your comfort eating, because then you know now for 2-3 weeks you can't try again. So then you're eating. Then occasionally you have a glass of red wine. That one glass of red wine turns into 3 glasses of red wine because you're depressed and you are trying to become happy. You know, all that. So
Correct.
and I was a non-drinker. So during this
Uh
time,
oh.
I said, itna kuch ho raha hai. I'm a non-smoker. I'm a non-drinker. Now I'm a non-mom. So what the hell? You know? So I said, this is really not fair. I need to, let me try the bad habits. So I started doing, and I like the bad habit very much, which is drinking wine. So it went from bad to worse. If तो injections लिए थे, and then I put on weight and I became fat. And then
Right.
finally we opted in for surrogacy, and luckily that woman conceived.
Right.
And we had 2 like healthy touchwood baby boys. And after that, just when
Excellent.
they were born, I was directing a film. So that was my 3rd baby. And अब चालू हो गया film direction and writing and everything. तो वापस खाना पीना शुरू. Nobody's
Correct.
paying attention to health. Nobody's paying attention to fitness except for my hero in the film and my husband who was in the film. So
Right.
I was like, I'm behind the scene. मुझे ज़्यादा ये करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And I
Bilkul.
was also acting, but I was not
You were in
playing
the film, yeah.
yeah, but I was not playing a chirpy 20-year-old. I was playing a 38-year-old woman who
Right.
did not really need to show off her body. There was no love angle. There was no item song. There was nothing that was sexy in the film. It was just a good story. So I said, और वहाँ ठंड थी, तो I was covering myself with jacket, so I didn't look fat. You know, तो बहुत कुछ ऐसी चीजें हुई, which and nobody had the guts to tell me, Cash, you are fat. कोई आके बोला नहीं यार. I mean, including you, Gautam, and Achla, and all of you who I met earlier this year. Nobody
Yeah.
told me I was fat.
I didn't think you were fat.
Yeah,
I-
because I hid it well.
Oh,
That's true. You really didn't look fat, Kat.
Yeah, but that day, I still remember, it was 2nd of Jan. That was a paradigm shift for me, because that day I saw a very good friend, Reshma Bombay. She was really in
Yeah.
proper
When we all
figure
met
and
for the
everything.
get together.
Yes, correct. That day I said, today is the last day I'm going to drink and eat properly. Tomorrow I'm going and trying on the weighing scale. The next day I went home. I said, that day I went home, and the next day when I woke up, I went on a weighing scale.
right.
And I swear, I thought कि मैंने कपड़े ऐसे पहने, so I removed my clothes. I said, without these clothes, I want to see how much the weight is. And I have never seen number 70 in my life on a weighing scale.
What?
I was always,
Wow.
always 55, 56, 57,
Yeah.
maximum 58. I was 70 kgs on 3rd of Jan.
Shit.
And I broke down. I called that doctor up, who's my friend
Why
now,
don't-
my IVF doctor. I said, sir, आपने ये weight दिया, weight निकालो.
अभी आप
ऐसे
लेके
नहीं
अभी
करके.
वापस ले
अब
जाओ.
कुछ
वापस
वापस
ले
ले
लो.
जाओ.
हाँ.
So बोलते हैं, so he told me the dietitian. He said, go to this dietitian, but the main thing is to not give up. The day you give up, you will stop losing weight. So I actually started from 3rd of Jan. I said, I'm not going to eat and drink. I'm not going to overindulge. I'm just going to look after my body. I'm going to do minimal exercise, because मेरे से तो ज़्यादा exercise होती नहीं. But I'm going to make sure that food-wise, I'm very, very disciplined.
You're gonna cut down.
Yeah.
That's
And
great.
then in March, Corona and all this happened, and all the gyms shut. मेरा खाना भी बंद हो गया. So I went into depression little bit, not like major depression, thinking that अरे अभी तो weight वापस बढ़ जाएगा, अब तो क्या जो घर पे खाना है white rice वगैरह सब खाना ही पड़ेगा. But I started eating in small quantities because I had learned how to eat
Portion.
small.
That's
Small
exactly
meal.
what Rachna was talking about earlier. I have small portion control is very important.
Yes, correct. So I
Yes.
did that, continued it. And somewhere in September, when we decided to get out of the house, August, I stepped on that weighing scale again, which was hidden by people in my house. Ke, "Baba, ye pagal ho rahi hai. Is pe khade reh kar." And I'd lost 50, I had come to 59. So that
Wow.
was like a
Wow.
victory to me. Yeah.
That's
Today I'm
amazing.
58. I'm 58.3
Superb.
today. Thank
Awesome. इसलिए
That's
फोटो में ऐसी
fantastic.
लग रही थी.
you.
So basically, you as an expert would like to tell people it's all about dedication. It's your
Yeah.
portion control.
Correct.
You're not someone who really loves to exercise, but you did do
Correct.
some moderate exercise. But you actually,
Correct.
what you did is, I think you exercised your willpower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you know, Gautam, what happens is I started giving myself excuses. See, the guy in my film, who's Krishna's brother, was 25. So he told me that you can lose weight. And I kept telling him, I'm in my 40s. I think the weight is stuck now. It's not going to go. This is why my aunties are fat. And, you see uncles over 50 or over 45 get fat. I said, I'm over 45 now. I've lost it. Now I'm going to be fat. I'm going to become this fat person. It's
Like
not
they said,
working.
bindas.
बिंदास हाँ मैंने यही
Bindas.
बोला तो बोलते हैं कि नहीं नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता मैंने बोला I'm telling you the body is working against me it's got a plan it wants to make me fat cat तो वो ना क्या hormonal changes हो रहा है and the endomorphin or something is not working and now you have to see me 70 plus only ये बोल के फिर he said no try it and try करके हो गया तो
Not
मैं इतनी पागल हो गई that I removed all the old swimsuit out
And then you got an offer to do a bikini shoot.
yeah, those bikinis and all that those have been bought 5 years ago.
Oh
I
my
have
God.
not had the guts to wear them because एक तो black वाला था जो इधर side से cut था
हाँ.
वो cut में से things used to come out.
Oh my God.
So I was like, I cannot torture anyone on this. And
No,
I
but
told the
kudos to
photographer,
you, Cash. What a job you've
Thank
done.
you.
I
Thank you,
swear.
thank
It's, you're laughing and saying it, but I do understand how hard it must have been. It's a
Yeah,
battle, like you're
Yes,
out
it is.
there and that's it. You have to do it. I have
See,
a
because-
question to ask you, Cash. Did you give up carbs by any chance?
Yes, I did. I gave up carb. I went on keto for 4 months. Then I changed it to low carb, low calorie diet.
Okay.
And it was like losing your individuality. I'm known as a sex symbol in the film industry. My body is my expression. And then I suddenly lost it. And nobody wanted to see what I had in my mind because my mind didn't matter.
But I have to give you credit, Kashmira, that you did not go under the go and get an operation done
Nice.
and get gastric bypass because
That's true.
in the Middle
No,
East, they have a lot of very obese people who have
Right.
very high incidences of
Bariatric surgery.
no, they have bariatric surgery, but they also have the highest. Qatar has one of the highest levels of diabetes, lifestyle
God.
diabetes.
My
Because
God.
the kids just eat. They just eat. I mean, they eat.
Yeah.
And then what do? They just go for surgery. And I'm really glad, Kashmira, that you did it the normal way. And you also proved that age is not the number.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
have, people are, oh, I'm too old and all that. That's all rubbish. I'm very
I
glad.
Yeah,
Good for
that
you.
is rubbish.
And
But
what I
for
think,
some time I believed it.
well, you know what I think?
We all do.
You know what I
We all
think
do.
also what made you get your abs back? Ask me. You laugh a lot. You laugh a lot. so I think it's a blessing when we have the opportunity to laugh a lot in a day.
Yeah.
Correct.
And guess who she's married? She also married one of the best comedians of the country.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
but Gautam, I make him laugh. Huh? He's not that funny in the house. I'm
वो
so
दुनिया
funny
को
because I
हंसाता
keep
है,
doing.
कश्मीरा उसको हंसाती है.
फिर क्या मैं उसको ये बोलती हूँ देख सबसे बड़ी कॉमेडी मैं सेक्सीएस्ट पर्सन मैरिड यू बोले इसे ये तो हंस हंस के पागल होता है
But you are
literally
full of life. You're
thank
They're
you
very
completely
good,
full
Joe.
of
That's
life.
great.
Really.
That's awesome. So
thank
what
you,
about
thank you.
what about if I ask you as about mental health? What
Yeah.
are your viewpoints on today's times where I mean, all of you can debate and talk about it together. So what are your guys? What are your views on mental health in this COVID situation? How does
Who
one
wants
take
to
care of
start
their stress?
first?
So
wants to
different
start?
people have different issues, Gomzi, and hence I would say mental health for different people in different situations would be handled differently. Some people have had abuse probably at home, which we read about. Some people have financial issues, job issues, traveling issues. Like some models I know had no money to pay their rent, for instance. So they couldn't even go back home, and the landlords did not relent. So I would say everybody faced very different issues in 2020, which they never ever imagined they would face.
That's true.
For me, I was very lucky that I didn't face huge issues. But for me, to do my housework and cleaning and cooking was like a big deal, because I've not done it ever. Cooking on and off was for fun,
Correct.
and I
Correct.
enjoy it. But the cleaning part, this, that, it really, like,
It takes a
mentally,
toll.
I was disturbed to do it. I was like, nahi, nahi, ye nahi ho sakta.
But
But
look
of
at the
course,
bright
10
side.
days down the
You're
line,
doing a lot
I
of
was
cardio
okay.
workout. Look at the
Huh?
bright side. You're doing a lot of cardio workout.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I guess. I don't know. I had a bit
Doing bartans is not cardio,
no,
Gomzi.
no.
Doing bartans is
No,
not cardio.
actually, I wouldn't have minded doing it, but I had developed a knee pain.
Oh,
Okay. So when you are slightly unhealthy in any manner, the smallest job seems very big.
Yeah.
So
yes,
now
That's
when
true.
I'm
Correct.
okay, I don't care. I can do it.
I agree with you. Yeah.
So the first 15 days were extremely torturous for me in that way. Uh, Mentally, I made sure I knew that this is going to definitely last, and you have to keep your spirits up. And so I discovered cooking and took it as a passion. I delved into it. I enjoyed it. I liked creating new things. I
Beautiful.
started my new Insta Live show
Fantastic.
so that kept me busy. I was in touch with people. It was literally having chai pe charcha with a friend. So I would fix
Yeah.
it, say, twice a week. The Insta Live show, introduce the glam industry to the people behind the glamour, actually, and show their real side, their struggles, who they really are, besides this wonderful face that we present to the
Yes.
world,
Correct.
who
Correct.
we really are.
Yeah.
So that was my endeavor with that Insta show. Then I started doing something called the Glam Bike, where I did a quarantine fashion week, where I
Oh,
spoke
Yes.
to models, yeah, and I made them, do things, whatever they were doing within their house. I gave them parameters. They made videos.
so
They sent
basically
it
you
to
were
me. I
helping them.
edited them, put them
You
up.
were coaching
So
them
it
to
kept
be
me
happy.
busy
Yeah, you're coaching them to be in a happier space.
in
You
a
were like,
happier space. Yes.
yeah,
And
because of the
then I
trying
would
times.
do some funny videos like jhadu doing and dancing and masti. I just think it was the time to lift people's spirits through, because all of us, is the first time in the whole world everybody was going through something we never imagined we would go through.
That's
So it
true.
was
That's
Yeah.
very important, not only for myself to keep my spirits up. I live alone, and
Yeah.
I figured there are many people like that who are living alone and
Mhm.
should be happy at all costs, in
Absolutely.
any circumstance. And that is what I did towards.
So it's about
I also wrote poetry, by the way, which I've never
oh,
written in my whole life.
so that's what this situation has done. It's made people realize
It got
their
another creative side out of me.
untapped potential.
I'll add
Untapped
something more to
potential.
you, Achla. I'll add
Yeah.
something more to you. I used to enjoy watching your videos. I mean, I
Oh,
can't tell you the happiness I felt and the laughs I got out of seeing your videos. I mean, the
so
jharu
sweet.
pocha thing was hilarious because we were all doing it. We were all doing it, right? I
I
was
know.
also doing jharu and wearing a
I did the
like
jharu
a really
dance.
designer dress, and the girl's doing wearing a designer dress and she's doing jharu, like in these comedies, in these movies that they showed this guy doing, but I enjoyed it, and I can't tell you the number of people I'm sure who watched it also felt the same way, because you
Thank you,
elevated all
Shakila.
it's a mundane thing.
That's all I
Let's face it.
wanted, a little bit of lightness back in our lives,
Correct. Correct. Absolutely. And you achieved that. Thank you for that.
Thank
And
you. too.
Sakla, what about you? Sakla, what about? I mean, I'm sure you girls know about Made in India, Sakla's venture.
Yes, fabulous.
Yes.
Great venture.
Yes,
This is a
they-
very interesting venture. Can you
So
tell us
I
about it?
started, okay, so what happened for me was, I have because we are in the industry, right? So, and I have a lot of people who are doing eco-conscious clothing, like Prasad Bidapa, who does a lot of stuff with khadi and all the other, and I have an aunt of mine who has this big museum for the fabrics in Bangalore called Vimur. All of them started writing in and saying things like, oh, textile workers are dying, people, karigars are, without food, they can't go back to the villages, they can't do that. Living in Qatar, there was not much we could do apart from going to the embassy and doing something with the Indian embassy, right? So, I mean, I can't physically be doing anything at all. Then I thought, let me start a movement called Made in India, not an anti any other country. And I don't want to take names here. I don't want to do an anti any other country.
Yeah.
I want to do a pro my country, Made in India. Let us talk about what is happening in the country.
Right.
Let us talk about what are the problems in the country. Let's talk about what we as people can change.
Yeah.
So I started a series. I delved into my wardrobe. I started taking out clothes for my wardrobe. And I said, I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to take this. I'm going to take that. One thing led to another. I had designers sending me clothes from India once quarantine got over. Can you showcase my garment? Can you showcase this? Can you start doing silk clothes? Can you do saris? And I've had, so then I started, what I did was, the next thing I started doing is I called up everybody. I called up Achla, Gomzi, everybody. Can you send me short videos, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute videos on talking about Made in India and being conscious and let's make the place better. Started putting that together. The next one is going to be a whole series of talks that we're going to be doing with other people.
Right.
It's a small baby step. We need to look at what is happening with COVID. We need to look at, and we also, and you'll all three understand this, right? I mean,
yeah.
There is a life after modeling.
Yeah.
And you need to see where that life is. I always tell everybody who I meet when they are always ask me, I want to get into modeling. I'm like, have plan B.
Yeah, always.
Yeah.
Have plan B and save your money. So Gomzi, just to give you an idea, when I first started modeling, I was working for Infosys, and I had to negotiate with my dad about modeling.
I had no idea about that. Wow.
Yeah, I was working for Infosys with Narayan Murthy himself at the head office, and I said, so I got into, so Prasad picked me up. He said, enter Miss India. So I was in Miss India runner-up in 91 and all, and then I moved to Bombay. Then I had to negotiate with my dad because I was moving. So my father gave me 1 year. And he said, for 1 year, if you don't make it, you come back to Bangalore and you join another, whatever IT company, whatever. So I said, okay. Then I started earning money. So my father was extremely good with money, unfortunately for me. And I mean, when I say unfortunately for me, because what happens is when you're in your 20s and you start earning a lot of money, you spend it. You blow it all out. you go nuts. My dad said, okay, you're earning same amount of money that most people will earn in 4 years. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to send me X amount of money every month. That is your savings. And you're going to have the rest of it for, rent and how you look and your grooming and everything. So that negotiation took a bit of time. No, I want this much. No, I want this much. But he won. And that came, and that's the other thing I always tell people that, when you start earning money, save money, put it away for a rainy day, have plan B, you know what I mean? Like, it always comes in good stead. Small amount, a big amount, it'll come. And when I bought my apartment in Bombay, Achla, in Andheri, remember I was running around trying to buy it. My money came in my husband and we both bought it together, but my money came in that time, it helped me to buy it. So these are little things that we teach. We have to teach plan B, say no to drugs, which I think is you're just stupid. And then most importantly, don't have hangers on. Those people who coterie of people who hang around you, who don't tell you the truth, and they try to give you some drugs, or they try to make you have a cigarette and say, come on, you're not cool, have a cigarette. No, just ek hi to phuk le, just have another bite,
Get them out.
have another drink, have
So
another shot.
her message is about financial wellness and don't have hangers on. That's very,
Absolutely.
be conscious of your hangers on.
Yeah,
Especially the
absolutely. Be
person that
aware,
gives
be
you the
aware,
first.
be aware of who your hangers on. Am I
See,
right or
you
wrong?
have to create your atmosphere. You have to create
Correct.
the right atmosphere around you, because then, we get influenced by whoever we are around. So we have to be very aware and be conscious of, your friends and what they stand for, and do they match your
Correct.
values? You
Yes.
know?
Excellent.
Yes.
I'm
Or
loving
are
it.
they an extension of yourself?
I'm loving it. It's been a lovely talk, ladies. Back to Cash. Would you like to say anything? We got about 5 minutes left.
Well, as far as mental health is concerned, my mental health was intact only because I was not eating.
So cute. That's how simple we should be, really.
I
Yeah,
think
I mean,
I think she's made us laugh a lot on this.
She's a doll.
but it's true. जब पेट में भूख होती है ना, mentally कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता.
I don't think I'm going to do my ab workout in the evening because you might be laughing.
Gomzi, पता है मेरा mental health कब disturb होता है?
क्यों?
When there's fun that goes out of my life.
Ah,
When
Yeah,
there's friends that
true.
are not around, like COVID time been difficult that way. तो जब
Okay.
बात मैं बहुत सारे Zoom call करती थी so that I can, stay afloat. I love fun. I love people. I really miss that, honestly.
Right,
Even
right,
now I
right.
miss it. It doesn't
Well,
destroy my mental
but
health, but I'll be
but
so happy when I meet them and I hug them again.
but
that's
Achla,
so
we
good.
should all try and meet. I mean, we'll keep distancing. We don't have to like lick each other's ears or anything. So, but we can all meet,
Don't do that
wear a
anyway,
mask.
Kat.
So why worry? Let's try and catch up next week, maybe over a
Yeah.
coffee or something.
I want to come and see
I'll-
your babies too.
Kashmira, I am
Yeah,
thinking
yeah.
of you licking Himanshu's ears right now. That's
Oh
what I'm
my
thinking
God.
of.
Okay. Hold on.
Himanshu was in a film with me called Jungle. Himanshu's always been the baby of the group,
Yeah,
Yeah.
always. He's the
Really?
baby.
Yeah.
So you
But I
guys
can't
want to
think of
log in
Himanshu
and you guys
hairless.
want to log into the chat again to kind of restart it.
So, but Gomzi, let's all meet next
We
week
should.
probably for
Cash,
over
we'll
coffee.
meet next
Yeah.
week, Pakka.
Done.
We have to.
Done.
Let's
And
make a
Let's do
plan.
that.
In your
We'll
this
ask
side of
Sakar
town.
I can't
to
add to that because we are not allowed to travel. So I can't add
I
anything to that.
I know, but
Terrible.
we'll do a group call to you when we meet and
Done.
probably have
Yeah,
coffee
we'll
or
meet
something.
online.
Done.
Yeah, for
done,
sure.
done.
So,
All right, ladies.
Gomzi, firstly, I want to thank you for bringing us all together because it was extremely interesting. And I Kashmira, thank you for telling me that you don't have to work out like a beast to look like a goddess.
Yeah.
So, thank you for that.
It's what you eat.
Achla,
What do you eat?
Achla, thank you for making this entire COVID experience was amazing. I mean, your Instagram posts were just unbelievable. They were so
Thank you.
funny and nice.
Super.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank you,
all
guys.
for
Thank
Thank
you, ladies.
contributing.
you.
Thank you, lovely.